Today is January 8, 2025. So, hi, today is January. Oo nga no. December yung nilagay ko dun sa unang video. Okay, today is January 8. Today is January 8, 2025. So, it's my third day. Third day as a change person. So yeah, it's my third day. January 8, 2024.